Hey, what's up, guys? It is the most positive actor here on set, giving y'all a preview of the success life that is headed your way if you keep pushing. It's bright, but everything is all right. So, following your dreams is going to take you in a lot of crazy places. It's going to stretch you, and it's gonna be tough, but it's gonna be worth it. So keep pushing, come see me on set, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all.